Master Cleaner Plus is a multi-purpose cleaner concentrate, versatile for a wide range of cleaning applications for use either by machine or hand. Master Cleaner Plus is an excellent degreaser which efficiently breaks down stubborn grease and oil deposits very fast. Master Cleaner Plus is suitable for use on all hard surface areas, including door shuts, door apertures, kick plates, head linings, fabric seats, carpets, cabriolet roofs, fascias, door trims, engines, wheels, underbonnet areas, planting equipment, even workshop floors. Master Cleaner Plus is the multi-purpose problem-solving solution no professional detailer can afford to be without.
Hi guys, Sean here from Concept Chemicals, and basically this is just to give you some supply information for products like the Master Cleaner Plus. This product and indeed many more can be purchased from our distribution partners who are Grand Line International Trading, who represent the Concept brand for the UAE, Oman and Saudi Arabia. They can be contacted from one of the links below. So